Number 6. World's first HDR10 Plus certified dynamic AMOLED displays. Ever since Samsung showcased its Infinity O display at the annual developers conference last year, the display tech has been the most anticipated one. And the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus are the debut smartphone to carry the Infinity O displays with piercings for single and dual cameras, respectively. The regular variant comes with 6.1-inch Quad HD plus 19:9 curved dynamic AMOLED display, while the Plus model screen measures 6.4 inches diagonally. The bezels are practically non-existent on the sides and bare minimum on the top and bottom, with the former housing the earpiece. Samsung has also managed to blaze yet another trail with the latest launches, as these are the world's first phones to come with HDR10 Plus certification. The HDR10 Plus is a step above the regular HDR in the sense that it adds dynamic metadata to each frame to offer a true to-life picture. In layman's term, the technology will allow users to watch Ultra HD Blu-ray videos on the Galaxy S10 Duo and the best of their quality. Number 5. Best-in-class specs. Considering these are the latest flagships from Samsung, it's a given that the smartphones will have the best-in-class specifications to boot. The Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus are powered by either the Snapdragon 855 or Exynos 9820 SoC, latter in the case of India. Samsung is offering both models with 8GB of RAM with an option to choose between 128GB or 512GB storage. In addition, the Galaxy S10 Plus also gets a more beefed up variant flaunting 12GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage. Notably, all variants come with support for microSD card of up to 512GB. This makes the highest end variant an absolute beast with 12GB of RAM and 1.5TB of total storage. The company has also equipped the Galaxy S10 Plus with vapor chamber cooling, Unity engine optimization and Dolby Atmos support for offering an immersive gaming experience. Number 4. The third camera is a charm. Samsung has equipped the Galaxy S10 Duo with triple camera modules on the rear panel. The setup comprises a 12MP primary sensor with a dual aperture of f/1.5 or f/2.4, which can be switched according to the ambient lighting. The main camera is accompanied by a 12MP telephoto lens and an ultra-wide 16MP fixed focus sensor. The pair of 12MP shooters are also equipped with optical image stabilization, OIS, for clear and shake-free images and videos. The camera module offers up to 2x optical zoom and 10x digital zoom. Other camera features include super steady video, scene optimizer with up to 30 scenes recognition and shot suggestions. As for selfies, the Galaxy S10 Plus features a 10MP f/1.9 camera on the front, accompanied by an 8MP RGB depth sensor. The Galaxy S10 on the other hand, omits the depth sensor and features a single 10MP shooter on the front. Number 3. Futuristic under-display fingerprint scanner. Samsung has attracted a lot of flack in the past for the positioning of the fingerprint scanner on its flagships. While the brand attempted to salvage the situation in Samsung Galaxy S9 review, S9 Plus review, and Note 9 review by positioning the biometric module below cameras, it stuck out like a sore thumb. In the latest iteration of flagships, the Cheeble has done away with the physical fingerprint scanner itself. Instead, the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus feature the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner integrated in the display itself, which is a first for Samsung. Number 2. A brand new interface courtesy One UI, based on Android Pie. Another grouse that Samsung loyalists usually have is the laggy and resource-hungry TouchWiz/Experience UI, which starts to show signs of lag once the phone starts aging. However, it seems that the brand has tackled those issues with the latest iteration of its custom interface. The Samsung Galaxy S10 series boot the brand new One UI, based on Android Pie. The new interface is a lot cleaner, brings Android Pie gooders and a much needed native dark mode to get the best out of the dynamic AMOLED display. Number 1. Massive batteries with speedy wired and wireless charging. Both Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus come with commendable batteries, 3400 mAh and 4100 mAh, respectively. While the battery sizes are nothing out of ordinary for flagships of this magnitude, it's bells and whistles added by Samsung which make all the difference. In yet another first for the brand, the Duo feature reverse wireless charging, which Samsung is terming as wireless power share. The company has also made it easier to activate this feature by adding a quick setting tile. That's not all. Both the phones support fast charging in both wired and wireless avatars. It's apparent that Samsung has set the bar high with the newest Galaxy S10 flagships. With a super premium IP68 rated design, impressive displays, powerful cameras and loaded specs, they are everything one could demand from a Samsung flagship and more. The Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus Duo will be up for pre-booking starting February 21st and go on sale in March in the US. Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus India pre-orders have also begun on Flipkart, though there's no official info as to when these devices will land in the country.